Let's do it again. Hello everyone, and what? Battle cats? You guys want to play? When you upgrade those two, it will come into bras, bro. It'll evolve into bras. I'm not joking, bro. It's bro. That's what we get. 15, 13. Okay, guys. We always get the normal cat ticket, no matter what. No matter what. Come on, guys. Let's open. Nope. 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 Wait, but I already have a 100. Guys, do you know how I triggered a mine? I'm not looking. What is it? Oh, I hate when this happens. Yeah, but hey, at least we got something. But first of all, I am the sevens. Macho man. Something. Okay. We got so much cat food. Single attack. I wish it was like multiple attack. Let's upgrade. No, wait. Nope. We can never do that until this. Which one do we get? See, I know that's Titan Cat. This is Titan Cat. How much has changed for it? Nope. Here's now. God, you're so lucky. Then it'll be Mythical Cat if we upgrade it. Mythical Cat. Bro. Yes, Mythical Tyrant Cat. Lord of Destruction. Bahamut Cat. No. A Bahamut Cat. The A part. The A Bahamut Cat. Australia. Mish mosh, mish mosh, mish mosh, mish mosh, mish mosh, mish mosh. Mish mosh, mish mish mosh, mish mosh, mish mosh, mish. Oh, mish mosh, mish mosh, mish mosh, mish mosh, mish mosh. Okay, sorry guys. I'm too savage. I love money. I love money. Sorry, too loud sometimes. Sorry guys. I don't know how to do a dog sound, so that's why I sound kind of weird. Guys, look at our money, it's so big. It feels good to be a pro. Why don't we try the mythical cats if we save up? Oh my gosh, the cat does a lot of damage, the cats. Duh, what was I expecting? Oh yes. It feels so slow. I don't know why. Yeah, it's refilling really fast now. Oh my gosh. So we're gonna get a cow cat. That's where. You know what? I'm tired of you. Whoa! I didn't mean to go too far. I didn't mean to kill the base. I mean to like hurt a little bit. So learn a lesson. Guys, I'm too powerful. Oh yes, cat guy, yes. Yeah, blah blah blah. What's the cat guide? Oh my, how does it not know? Anyways, let's carry on. Pick number, let's check out his base. Let's see. Oh, far away, that's perfect for us. If it doesn't spawn snake, that'll be way better. Now we can farm to level 5, I guess. We're getting pretty close. Not too close. Sorry guys, I just really love this song. Fire. Even though it won't kill them one shot. Never mind. Okay. I'll never get used to this song. Wait, what's happening? No! Oh! It made me go Mars. So, let's get our meat shields. They're called meat shields because they're very powerful. Not joking. Let's get them legs. Those big legs. Let's work. The beauty fashion show. Let's get at least 2 of them. When is... Oh yeah. Right when one dog spawns. It's such an incredible short lifespan. Space tired me out. I'm not going all out. А мне это потому что будет малое видео, это потому что один. This base was weak. The cow cat? Is it? No, the fish cat. No, cow cat. Cow cat. Yeah, it's cow cat. Cow cat. Told ya. Giraffe cat. Oh man. Base. Да, мамочка, просто когда я увидел, что это будет мало, мамочка. Sorry, just replayed for like. Не знаю. Не знаю.
Давай я тебе на кровать написываю.
Не.
Как не?
Не знаю.
Ну, ты же мальчик, не девочка. Ужас, какой ты стал, я не знаю.
Oh, sorry about that. So. Don't mind that. I was just talking to my mom. Yeah, I know. Angela Beach. No, I hate hotness. What? Oh no. The mighty pig one. Oh man. Or maybe this will be effective against enemies. That's what it usually is for. now it's dead. Listen. Yeah. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Ah, my hair, wow. Hunger stay foolish, why? Pickle jar? Pickle jar. Let's speed up. Yeah, wait, what if we speed up? Wait. Oh, that what happened? Guess the base had a bad time. Whoa! Oh, what's this place? What? What's this? Yeah, guess I'll get more money up. There's a beautiful view, but there's base. Oh, so we got full level this time. What happened next time? Oh, this is what it means. Full money. Game on that means all out. What the next thing? So it was the near death one. That's sometimes that rarely happens for people. The rare death close thing. It's rare. Bird cat. UFO cat more likely. Yes. That is not ideal. Like, doesn't matter. Well, wait, just let me do something real quick. That wasn't one of them. This is what I meant. Ow. And the bus is here. So fast. Unbelievable. It's so fast. Surrender, you red penguins. I had enough of it. Ah, not so bad. Oh. That feels good. So make sure to like and subscribe and have a fantastic day. That's what I will say.